students of standard 7th. This is our last topic of angles and pairs of angles, that is property of an exterior angle of triangle. Now see here, this is triangle PQR and this angle PRS means this angle is exterior angle of this triangle. And you know very well that this angle P, this angle Q and this angle R are interior angles of triangle. But here angle P and this angle Q are remote interior angles of triangle. Means what? These two angles, angle P and angle Q, are further away from this angle PRS. So they are called remote interior angles of triangle PRS, means this angle. So here I will write major angle P and angle Q are remote interior angles of triangle and of angle PRS. And you know very well that sum of the interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So here we can write major angle P plus major angle Q plus major angle R is interior angle. These three angles is equal to 180 degree. And this also you know that angle PRQ and angle PRS means this angle and this angle, they are linear pair angles. So addition of these both angles is also 180 degree. So here also we can write major angle PRS means this angle and PRQ means this angle is equal to 180 degree. So this side is equal, right side is equal. So we can write left sides. Means how we can write major angle P plus major angle Q plus major angle PRQ is equal to this one. What is that? Major angle PRS plus major angle PRQ. Now from both sides PRQ and PRQ are common. So we can cut them. Otherwise we can subtract them. So what remain? This side major angle P plus Q and this side major angle PRS. So here it is written major angle P plus major angle Q is equal to major angle PRS. Means what? From the figure we will understand it. See this major angle P plus major angle Q means addition of these both angles is equal to measurement of angle PRS. म्हणजे ह्या दोन्ही अँगलची ॲडिशन ही ह्या exterior angle itki असेल. So here is property of an exterior angle of triangle. The measurement of exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angle. So you have to remember this property. It is very much important. So I will explain you one example based on this property given in practice set 21. What is that example? In angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. See here in this figure, angle ACD is exterior angle of this triangle ABC. What is asked? The measure of angle A and B are equal. Means these both angles are equal in measurement. If measure angle ACD is 140 degree, if this angle is 140 degree, find the measures of the angle A and B. Then we have to find out measurements of angle A and B as they both are equal in measures. Here we will use the property of an exterior angle of triangle. So if angle A and angle B are equal, we can consider them as a x. So here we will write, let measure angle A plus measure angle B, not plus, equal to measure angle A plus measure is equal to measure angle B is equal to x degree. And then by the property of remote interior angle of triangle, we can write measure angle ACD is equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B. Means this ACD is equal to this angle A plus this angle B. So we will put values. You know major angle ACD is 140 degree. So here we can write 140 degree. And you know now here we have considered major angle A and B are x degree. So here we can write x. So here I will write x degree plus x degree. So next step will be 140 degree is equal to x plus x, 2x. Or this you can write 2x is equal to 140 also. So this 2 we will take right side, x is equal to 140 divided by 2. It is multiplied to this x. Now it will be divided to this 140. Therefore x is equal to 140 divided by 2 is 70. Means we got value of x is 70. And what is that x? X is angle A and angle B. So we got measurement of angle A and angle B. So we can write here measure angle A is equal to 70 degree and measure angle B is equal to also 70 degree. And this is answer of our question. So here we can write answer is what? Okay, simple it is. So this is our question number 1 from practice set 21. Everyone got it? Very good. Bye bye. Have a nice day.